Hello YouTube, I'm back with less of a gap between videos than last time. And today, as you can probably already tell, we have a Victorinox belt sheath. This one, honestly, I struggled with the wet molding. Almost a little embarrassed to show it. It didn't come out as good as I thought it would, or as it should have, I should say. But functionally, it's very good. It's just the aesthetics that suffered a little bit, or a lot of it maybe. With this one, I had to mold this, make the leather mold. I'd wrap this, the Workchamp, in the perfect amount of padding and saran wrap to get enough internal space to install the snap, and we have good retention, but it's still pretty easy to pull out, snug but not too tight, and you can't really feel it rubbing on that snap, so, or hear it either. Let's see, can I get the fancy edges to shine on camera? A little bit. We don't have the best lighting to get the shiny edges here, but I think I'll use a thumbnail photo of one that I took outside that highlights the shiny edges, possibly, or not. But yeah, I am very happy with how it turned out functionally. I'll definitely do better on the molding process next time, because I need these to be perfect to list them for sale. This one's not perfect enough to really list it, I don't think. Correct me if I'm wrong in the comments. One thing I'm also trying to get better at is having the stitching on the back side come out as good looking as the stitching on the front side. And the thicker it is, the more of a challenge that is. So yeah, but I'm getting there. This one just wasn't my best all around. I have a couple more I'm finishing up today that I might post videos of today, maybe tomorrow. Depends on how quick I run out of steam. Well, that's all I got for you for now. And as always, YouTube, thanks for listening.